Next, we're going to talk about onions. Now, onions, depending on what you're doing with them, if it's going to be a fast roast, if it was these together, you could cut this onion small. But since we have some potatoes and carrots that we're also going to roast, and those take a long time to cook, we're going to leave this onion pretty chunky too. And we're going to do the whole onion because why not? Since we're doing a chunkier onion, I'm going to just cut it in half, get it peeled. When we cut our onion, we get layers, right? And this is really, really thin. They're going to crisp up and then they're going to end up burning if we cut them really, really small because of this. So we're just going to cut this into thirds. If it was just tomatoes, I would cut these more into like a medium dice, but we are going to leave this nice and chunky. The other thing is it depends on what you're going to use this for, right? So if you're going to eat this as a side dish and it's just roasted veggies, then you want bigger chunks of veggies to eat. You want mouthfuls, or are you looking to have it be in a salad? You want to make it so everything's in bite sizes, small little cubes. That's great. You still want to leave these bigger and then cut them after roasting.